You're the Almighty God. Oh, you lavished on us your radiant glory is beyond words can declare. You're the hair of all things, the brightness of God, the image of the Father. We're your light. Whoa, you made us your glory. In the depth of your word lies the fountain of life from which I drink. Your overwhelming presence is the light of my life. Oh, your name is the bedrock of my salvation. Your grace surrounds me like a shield. My mouth is filled with joy for the victories you have given me. I thank you from the depth of my heart. You're the Messiah. Heaven and earth bow before you, and all creation trembles. Some reverence as I think of your holiness, Almighty God.